$20,000 loan, no social security needed, bad credit, okay, get funded in 1 hour, same day cash. How wild and exciting is that, okay? Like getting that $20,000 loan with no social security check, no credit inquiries. I mean, and the best part is you can have funding same day within 1 hour's time. Just imagine for a minute the possibilities, right? You'll have the funds to be able to kickstart your money-making ventures right away, whether you're out there trying to open a new business, a startup, whether you want to scale a current business, or if you're inside of real estate looking for real estate funds, or you want to get into real estate and you're looking for a gateway strategy, we have that here as well. I want to share with you all a heartfelt warming moment here for a moment because I help folks like you tune in every single day to fund and fuel your goals to propel yourself forward. And it's been just a journey for me as well. I've been here for 4 years and we found over $400 million for individuals right here on this channel. So I just want to thank you all for coming and joining me every single day. And while we're on some crucial topics, I want to talk about something that, if you're actually out there trying to look for funding just to get to the next day, the next month, the next week, whatever it may be, it's always best to look at your current finances. All right, start with your current finances, whether that's the auto loan, whether that is the mortgage on the house, and see if there's an opportunity with the bank to refinance. Remember, we're always talking about building relationships with the bankers, and they would rather see you as a customer than have to go through a long and drawn out process of not having you as a customer. Okay, so the opportunities for refinance are always available, but they may not always present that they're always available. But if you talk to them about it, they may have, I know sometimes it's like an uncomfortable conversation, but if you approach with a positive attitude, you might find yourself coming out on the other side with a win. Okay, speaking of relationships, like, we talk about on this channel, building relationships with banks. It's always important to do that because you want to be able to cycle through funds, right? Build yourself lines of credit through warehouses and then have it cycle. If it's interest free for 12 to 18 months, have it cycle through your business and then leverage it again. Remember to tune in daily because I do post urgent information on deadlines for, up-to-date information like around grant deadlines or funding deadlines. So it's here today, gone tomorrow sort of stuff that you don't want to miss out. And if you really don't want to miss that information, join the email list that's found in the description. And I post that information for deadlines there as well. And also all of the links of all the funding sources that we're about to talk about will also be found in the description. You can check that out anytime during this video. I also include my cell phone number in there, so you can actually text coach if you want to go deeper on anything, and I'll hook you up with a free consult on building business credit or building your business for the first time, scaling businesses, or gateway strategies into real estate. I actually have in the description a beautiful real estate gateway strategy course. It's on a mega sale right now and it's packed with value, but it actually takes you through a gateway strategy where you don't use any of your own money to get into real estate, and then you start cash flowing within 30 days. Check that out, all found in the description. Now, in this video, we will actually discuss 2 different sources of obtaining the $20,000 loan through personal credit and business credit. With these loan sources, we're going to focus in on flexibility and ease of qualifications. We're also going to talk briefly about debt consolidation, highlighting the benefits of debt consolidation and improving and managing multiple loans. And then last, I'm going to introduce a financial solution for you guys for obtaining same-day funding without any credit requirements. Doesn't that sound pretty awesome? Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty because I want to talk about this $20,000 source, this loan. We're going to talk about 2 different sources. We're going to talk about personal and business. And remember, it's all about maintaining a positive mindset and attitude when you're out there applying for these sources of funding. And if you understand the qualifications before you apply and you know that you qualify for them, well, it's just going to be a boost in your confidence. You don't need that stellar 850 credit score every single time. You just need to understand if you have the right tools and strategies to make anything possible. Okay, so let's get started out with Pinnacle Federal Credit Union. It's a New Jersey-based financial institution, and they're offering both personal and auto loans starting at $30,000. Now, the auto loans you may not be interested in, but everything else there is awesome. Okay, there's no geographical restrictions required here. It's available nationwide, and they have competitive interest rates with flexible terms. It's a fantastic option. And the best part is you could get pre-qualified in minutes without that perfect credit score required. Because if you understand the strategies and the tools you need, it makes this whole process simple. Now, they also offer other things like debt consolidation, which is a game changer if you're trying to improve your current credit score and manage multiple loans. By considering going through a debt consolidation process and putting everything into a single loan, you can lower your rates and streamline the whole process and bring your payments down. Checking their rate is simple as just clicking a button on their website, and I'll drop all these links in the description. Now, if you don't have a Pinnacle Federal Credit Union membership or a family member who has a membership, you can join for free through the American Consumer Council. Guys, I'm revealing it all today, so don't forget to hit the like button and become a subscriber. And remember, the best way to grow quickly and scale quickly is to get help from others, right? So share this with all your friends and family. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor, so none of this is financial advice. Let's get back to the video, because next up, we have a program that I want to introduce to you guys called Uplift. Okay, this is a finance company that doesn't give a hoot about your credit score. Okay, guys, they understand that you need cash and you need it to make money, which is why they offer same day of funding with no credit requirements. By showing you have consistent cash flow through your business account, you can secure up to $20,000 within hours. It's a lifesaver for entrepreneurs looking to build out funds for their next venture. And remember, folks, it's not about having that perfect credit score every single time. It's just about knowing where to look and how to navigate through those financial landscapes. With the right tools and strategies, you can access the funding you need to turn your dreams into realities. Get the funding on the same day by going through a process. Look, if you contact Pinnacle tomorrow at 10 a.m. and you have all of your documents in line, they could give you an answer on the same day or even the next day by 10 a.m. with all of your information. They'll let you know exactly what you qualify for. Get the funding the same day, transfer it over to any bank account you choose. Okay, it's that simple. That's all for today, folks. Don't forget to check out the links found in the description to explore all of your options for all of these funding sources like Pinnacle Credit Union, Pinnacle Federal Credit Union, and Uplift. Remember that trust builds better rates and opportunities for you. Okay, you can always join my email list found in the description. Don't forget, I have daily information, so you might want to check in here if you are looking for your grant deadlines or your funding deadlines. And don't forget, my phone number is also found in the description. If you want a deeper dive on anything we talked about here, I will hook you up with a free consultation. Just text coach to that number. We could talk about building business credit. We could talk about your startup desires. We could talk about scaling your current business. We could talk about scaling into real estate. There's so many things we could talk about, all right? And don't forget, there's a beautiful real estate gateway strategy course found in the description. It's a gateway strategy into real estate. If you've never been into real estate and you've always been desiring to get into real estate, that's the program you want, because you don't use your own money to do it, all right? And in 30 days, you start cash flowing, and the whole process becomes really simple to scale and keep repeating the process over and over again. Check that out in the description. It's on a super mega sale, super mega sale, and I want to get it out to as many people as possible. This is Edward Bilder. I love you all, and I'll catch you all on the next one. Bye for now.